Okay, thank y'all for tuning back into my channel. I am going to do an unboxing. I bought something nice. I bought some shoes from Pretty Little Things. Yes, Pretty Little Things. Can y'all see that on the bottom? Pretty Little Things. I am so excited, everyone. And I love this. The bag, how it has, it's like a tote. Okay, the tote handle there. Okay. This is my first time ordering from Pretty Little Things, and I wanted to get some more flats. I already had some black flats, and in my most recent video, I purchased some taupe flats. You know, it's close to like a tan color. So I found some white flats that I liked at Pretty Little Things. So, I love this bag. It's so cute. I love pink. That's the bag that it came in. Yeah. That's the bag. Pretty Little Things. See the shoes. Y'all know all shoes run, everybody's size runs different, you know? And so sometimes I could wear a size 8. Sometimes I can wear a 9, but these are 7s. Yes, these are size 7s, everyone. So yes, Pretty Little Things. You see that Pretty Little Things? Little Things, yes. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Okay. They package nice. Okay. Package nice. Show you the side there. Show you the side there. Now this is a 7, okay? Yep, this is a 7. So I'll take it out. Okay. I like them. I like them. And I don't wear much white, but I wear it sometime. And you know what? Black don't go with everything. So if you're wearing white, get a white shoe, you know. And of course, it is spring, and then here comes the summer, right? Yes. Okay. Same. Okay. I really love these. I really love these. Mhm. So y'all tell me what y'all think about these shoes. Okay. Tell me what y'all think about them. I love them. Have y'all purchased any shoes or any clothing from Pretty Little Things? I'm going to be purchasing a lot more because they have some nice things and you don't have to pay much. They're nice. And I like to add nice accessories to my outfits. So let me try these. Well, I'll try them on later when I have another outfit on. Because I have on a long skirt a long dress right now, and you probably won't be able to see them well. So yes, so Pretty Little Things. But as I was going to say, I plan on buying pretty much from Pretty Little Things. I like their boutique, and they have a lot of nice things that's reasonable. And I like to mix up my wardrobe. I'll have something, on the high end, like all my handbags are high end. Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Prada, V. Saint Laurent, Chanel, Salvatore Ferragamo. Those are very Tory Burch. Those are very high end bags. I just purchased a Kate Spade bag. Now, when I have purchased some shoes, some orange shoes to go with my Kate Spade bag. So when those shoes come, be ready for a video because we're going to pair those shoes and that handbag together. Yes, and since I do have on an orange dress, it's going to work perfect with the orange bag and the orange shoes. Now, though, it's a sandal, so it's not a slide. It's not a slide or a mule. Okay. So y'all tell me, what do y'all think about the flats? I'm going to get some flats in all colors. I'm going to get some orange ones, flats. Yes, I have the orange sandals coming, but I'm gonna get orange flat. Some blue flats, some pink, and some yellow. So I can have some flats to go with every color, because those are spring, summer colors. I'm not going to wear black during the spring and summer. No. Okay, and also I'm going to, those of you that love handbags, I'm a handbag girl. And Kate Spade have very nice designs. They have every spring, summer color, and they also have bundles. So the Kate Spade bag that I recently purchased, y'all could go back and look at that video. I got the handbag and the wallet for under $200. And it's all leather. It's all leather. You can't beat that. You can't beat that. Okay, so I think I'm gonna get some more of her bags. I like the doctor's bag, and which is similar to the Speedy. And I like the bucket bag, which is also like a drawstring bag, and totes. Okay, so look forward to me dropping a lot of videos. So I'm back settled in my home here in Florida, which I inherited from my grandparents and of course, the Most High. That's right. because you know the earth is the Lord's and the fullness thereof, right? Yeah. So he blessed me with this house, no rent due, no house note due. My grandparents paid for this house cash money when they moved in years ago. This was their dream house, and them and the Most High passed it on to me. So it seemed like I've been a good girl. Yes. So that's the lottery right there when you got a house paid in full. And you didn't have to pay for it. That must be a very good girl. I'm daddy's girl, the Most High. Sure is. Okay, y'all. So y'all tell me what y'all think about the shoes. Tell me what all y'all have purchased from Pretty Little Things. Okay. Okay. So, because I want to hear it. Okay. So please like, share, and subscribe. Y'all enjoy your day. Stay safe. And please hit that notification button so you will know when I am going to drop some new videos. Shalom.